Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the Topper Chef. Today we are going to make egg bhurji by popular demand. Some of our fans on our YouTube channel have asked me to make egg bhurji. Okay, so what basically is bhurji? Bhurji is Indian way of making scrambled egg, okay? But in India, where eggs are very expensive, a lot of people cannot afford eggs. So they mix it with a lot of vegetables which is leftover. So you take 2 eggs and use a lot of vegetables in it. And so now you can, instead of frying 2 eggs, you are feeding 6 people with just 2 eggs. So that is the whole thing about a bhurji. And this is on the carts in India and all that stuff, the spices which go into it, it really makes this 24-hour food. You just put it on a toast and you can use it. Okay, so for this, you gotta take lots of vegetables, like I said. Fresh vegetables, tomatoes, 1 whole onion, little cilantro, and jalapeno or chili according to your spice. And spices also, if you wanna add chili powder or coriander powder, you can do it. You can add all of that. But I'm gonna only use turmeric powder and little salt into it. Okay, so for the egg bhurji, like I said, it's 2 eggs and lots of vegetables. So our vegetables is onion, tomatoes, cilantro, and a small jalapeno or pepper. So I'm gonna chop all this. This is finely chopped, this is finely chopped, and then we're gonna make this bhurji with this. So let me proceed with chopping my cilantro. And you can see my knife going like this. This is the way I chop things because that's the way I learned. Okay guys, we are ready to make, this is Topper Chef back again. We are ready to make our egg bhurji. Okay, so you gotta add a generous amount of oil because you wanna the egg not to stick, not be very sticky. So let this oil heat up really well. And look at this, I've taken a big pan so that we can scramble our vegetables really well. Okay, so let this heat up. Now, if you want to add cumin seeds or ajwain or whatever, you can do it. There's no stopping anybody with this recipe. The whole thing is to have lots of onions, lots of tomatoes into it. This is Bombay style egg bhurji, which we get it on the streets. Okay, so now let the onions cook for at least 2 minutes. Okay, now I shredded my onions a little bit, and this is my tomatoes. It has all its juices and everything in it. And saute those onions with the onions, with the jalapeno here. And then I'm gonna add my turmeric only. So now if you wanna add coriander powder or turmeric powder and chili powder, you can do that. I wanna keep it simple. I like the taste of turmeric, so this is all it goes inside here. And saute all this thing properly well, mix it well. There you go. There was some salt which I put also in the turmeric, so just cook this well, really mix it nicely. Okay, so now you can get the smell of turmeric, and oh, it smells so well. Now, this is the time you want it to make it low. So you want to scramble the eggs really well. So here we go. I've got these 2 eggs now. I'm going to beat them well. And get it ready to pour in this thing. The more aggressive you are with the eggs, the better it will mix about in every part of the tomato, the onion, and everything, okay? So that's ready. Now I'm gonna add my cilantro. I love cilantro, so add more cilantro into this. Okay, and now let's mix this. Okay, so our gas is really low now. This is where we're gonna add our egg. And we're gonna mix this around. Don't let it sit. Gotta mix it around aggressively all around on low heat. See, every part of the egg should envelop every vegetable. It should coat everything. So this is a scrambled egg. And wow, it smells heavenly. I can imagine eating this on a piece of toast. So the key is to cook it on low heat, so you're not cooking it very fast. Otherwise, what is the property of eggs? Eggs is an emulsifying agent, a solidifying agent, everything. So if you keep it on high heat, what's going to happen? It's going to cook so fast, and then it won't scramble around. So this is the key of making the bhurji. Now you can raise the heat up a little bit, but keep on vigorously moving it around. And here you are, voila, this is our egg bhurji. It's already cooked and nice and smells heavenly. If you like a recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Okay, so now the egg bhurji is ready and I'm gonna taste it. It's so tasty. The onions make it so sweet. You don't want to mess around and putting more pepper or anything in it. It's really nice. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!